Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to craft the Tidal Seashell Wall Lamp in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, first you need to unlock the recipe, and you can unlock it here by completing your daily quest and also completing the challenge from the Call of Whales event. And after you reach level 14, you will receive the Tidal Seashell Wall Lamp recipe. And then you're going to go to your workbench, and I'm going to show you the recipe to craft the Tidal Seashell Wall Lamp. Wait, I'm looking for it. Okay, this one, guys. And you need timber, stone, and also pearl oyster material pack. You can craft it. Okay, and I've just made the Tidal Seashell wall lamp. Wow, that's super cute. Okay guys, and that's how you can craft the Tidal Seashell wall lamp in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.